Alright, I'm gonna, unbend this friggin' part here so we can put a rectangle in it. The first thing is to select a fixed face. Okay, that's that. Here's the bend. I'm gonna unbend. Probably leave that there, but that's alright. We'll go ahead and do that. Now let me go ahead and sketch. Like right there, I guess, as good as any. Go ahead and select the center line with our rectangle. Okay, exit sketch. The hole, which we're gonna, that's fine. Okay, so fold this back and this back. Let's see if that works the way I think. Yep. Okay, so that was a way of, cutting a rectangular slit in it. Okay, I want to show you the sheet metal gusset command, and a couple different ways of doing this. This isn't an ideal part for it. That creates a gusset. This is an offset from its selection point right here, which you can choose other points apparently by hitting this box. But if you choose OK, that gives you a nice little indented gusset. Now, try to flatten the part though. Let's see what happens. Okay, it does work, so it recognizes that as a secondary operation, I assume. Okay, now you can, going into the same command, again, hit the enter key. Now you can just start by selecting that, and it'll work. But again, you'd have to choose some other point. You can have sketch points or whatever, I assume. Sketch point or a vertex point. So, you got those two options. Okay, but you can't get a partial preview or full preview, so full preview, you can see what it's going to do to that side as well. Probably better for speed to leave that partial. You choose the indent width, thickness, which I don't know what that means. That seems kind of weird. I don't know how the hell they pull that off. I'd make something, because it's just an indented feature. I don't see how they'd make it a different anyway, 8, versus 4. That's how you change the height of it. And you can, actually set your own profile dimensions for D1 and D2, etc. So, that draws it in. If you don't care if it's symmetric or not, click dimension size, rounded gusset or flat gusset. Okay, click dimension size. Yeah, you can make it square. Again, not quite sure they could actually manufacture that. Not sure they could manufacture this, honestly. So anyway, that pretty much covers, all the options on that feature. So voila. And let's see if this motherfucker will still flatten. Yep, it'll flatten. For the flat gusset, though, as it turns out, whoops, you can actually put a fillet in it as well. So obviously that's not liking that because of that corner where it is. Let me change that offset. Okay. Alright, so now we got a flat gusset there, you know, as an option. I guess you can only put one of those things in at a time. Alright, so I'll put that one there. Okay, it's automatically realizing that it should be on the other side. I guess it's got the same parameters as last time, so you know, if I created a new one, I probably could have just mirrored it. Anyway,